Hey there, it's Sylrette. I'm going to show you how to blend 3 packs of braiding hair. So I've got color 30 right at the end, color 27, and white, which is like a 613 kind of blonde. So I'm just going to open everything up. The first thing you need to do is divide each pack of braiding hair in half. This will make it easier to blend and separate the colors. Now that you've got half of each pack, what you're going to do is open the hair a little bit, like spread it out, and then take the next color, spread it out, and just put it on top. So now you've got 3 layers of color. Now all you do is separate and stack. You can just carry on like this. So then eventually you'll end up with something like this. You can keep going. Take a paddle brush and just hold it tight and then just detangle. Just brush it very lightly. Don't you know it's all for you? This is how it looks so far. You can definitely keep going until it gets to the level of mixing you want. I prefer to blend until there aren't any like big chunks like this. So I'm gonna keep going. Then I'll do the other half and we'll bring it all together. This was the first one and this is the second one. So now I'm just gonna put them together. So now wherever I see a chunk of color, I'm just going to separate that. So that's pretty much it. You can keep going if you want it even more blended, but this is as much as I'm going to go. I'm going to do braids with it, so stay tuned for that. I already blow dried my hair. I washed, conditioned, and blow dried my hair so that it's just easier to work with. I almost don't want to braid it.
take for every breath I take for you. Don't you know I like it too? Don't you know it's all for you? Don't you know it's all for you? Every breath I take for you. Don't you know I like it too? What's good? Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? Yeah, yeah. You know all my bitches love it when we get turned. Oh yeah. And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. Yeah. Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Me and my girls stepping out in the all black. A little bit ten on her feet, don't know how to act. Pulling up to the scene with a top back. Money ain't even a thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama. Yeah. I wanna know, boy. Yeah, what's good? Yeah. I wanna know. Yeah, what's good? Yeah. Oh, what's good? Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? What's good? You know I'm a feather when we get turned. What's good? And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. What's good? Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Yeah, we just tryna have a good time. Turn up, sip up on some good wine. DJ playing my favorite song. Running them beats, now you know we're on it. From the drinks to the hookah, so much stuff, gotta call me Uber. I wanna know. Yeah, what's good? Yeah. I wanna know. Yeah, what's good? Yeah. Oh, what's good? Cause we just tryna get it poppin', what's good? What's good? You know I'm a feather when we get turned. What's good? And no, it ain't no turning down, baby. What's good? Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. It's the weekend, you know what that means. He left his girl in the party with me. All drinks on me. All drinks on me, yeah. Too tough for the drama, all I want is more thoughts. All I want is more conversation. Dressed in designer shoes, body like a tiger, body like a tiger, body like a tiger. Yeah. What's good? Yeah. What's good? Yeah. I wanna know. Yeah. What's good? Yeah. I wanna know. What's good? You know I'm a lover when we get turned. Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time.
That's my crew. Tell 'em that's my crew. Screaming, that's my crew. Baby, that's my crew. On a weekday with crew, I'm ready to blow. We make it look real
trust a boss, I finna toss him through the
That's my crew.